Welcome back to the channel named CAD with Mr. Hugh. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. So we need your participation. So please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the different videos that are posted in the channel. This video shows you how to use the trim command. So we were attempting to remove one of the hatch and we use the trim command as a solution because two of the hatches were being removed at the same time and we only wanted to remove one. So we use the trim command. So this video will show you how you use the trim command. Thanks for watching. In today's video, I will show you how to delete the section from the objects that are shown on the screen. All right, so let me show you. I want to delete one of these sections, but let me show you. So I'll click here. However, both of them are being erased at the same time, so let me undo it again. I'm going to try and delete this one over here. Look, enter, and both of them are deleted, right? So I only want to delete one of them. Okay, so this is my solution. What I do, I trim it. So I trim, see, and that is why section one of them if both of them are being sectioned at the same time. Okay, so let me show you again. I'm gonna remove the section on the left. So if I try to erase it, both of them are gonna be erased. See, look, enter, see. So I'm gonna undo it. Right, what I'm gonna do is trim. So I want this one, see, enter, and now I have it removed. So if you're in a situation where you see that the two objects, one or more, are being deleted at the same time, what you can do is trim the one that you want to be removed. Okay, so thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the next video we'll be looking at conic sections. Okay? Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.